I just made over $2,000 this month by botting streams on Spotify, and I'm going to show you how you can do the same. The first step is to upload music to Spotify. You can either make this music yourself, hire someone to make it for you, or use AI tools like Suno.com to generate it for you. Then go to a music distributor like DistroKid, Amuse, and CD Baby and upload your music. Now what you want to do is go to smmglow.com and make an account here. This site allows you to buy Spotify streams, followers, saves, likes, and more. We need this site because they are the only suppliers of cheap and profitable streams that Spotify can't detect. They are able to accomplish this with an army of bots that have complex software to spoof their location. Now, as you can see, there are a massive list of services they provide, but you need to go to their advanced Spotify services. Here, you will find all the royalty-eligible services so that you can get paid. From here, it is simple. All you have to do is paste the link to your song or album and put down how many streams you want. Keep in mind, Spotify will pay you $3 for every 1,000 streams, so every dollar you spend on streams, you will get around $7 back. I spend around $200 to $300 a month on streams, so I am able to make back around $2,000 every month. This is by far the easiest money you will ever make. Subscribe for more money-making methods.